Hey guys, so to reset a Nest smoke detector, press and hold your protect button. It will change and glow blue. Continue holding the button, and then you just want to release the button when your protect starts to say the version number. And your protect will start World countdown until it's erasing all your settings. And to cancel the factory reset, press protect button again during countdown. After a few seconds, your protect will reset to its factory default settings, and that's you're just gonna set up the app again. And this is how you're gonna do it. So it's like pretty easy, pretty simple, and yeah. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.